When someone comes to Just Salad, the ultimate compliment, first and foremost, is that was the best freaking salad I've ever had, right? That's what I really want people to feel is that salad, I didn't like salad before, now I love it. My name is Nick Kenner, founder and CEO of Just Salad. Food culture, restaurant scene in New York is amazing. A lot of diverse options, very competitive. And growing up around that, I was exposed to interesting and amazing food from an early age. You know, I did not grow up thinking I was gonna start a salad chain. My mom grew up on a farm in Minnesota, and she had a real connection to food, and she loved cooking at home, healthy food. And so I appreciated that. And then at some point, I found myself in finance 2 years out of college, working 12-hour days and not feeling great about myself physically. And I was one of many people that was ordering crappy salads, to be honest. So in 2006, I became very focused on finding a healthy, affordable option. At that point, salad was the best platform for that. And that experience really drove me, and the connection to food really drove me to starting Just Salad. What I think truly makes us special is we are delivering on every aspect of that. There are very few places in this country, in this world, where you can get local organic items under $10 that taste great and is healthy. Sounds simple, but we do it better than anyone else, and that is why I believe there are thousands of stores that we can open up as a result of that. So we're gonna prepare one of our fall seasonal salads, the Autumn Caesar salad, as well as our crunchy avocado toast.
Welcome back to another episode of Smart Kitchen. I'm your host, Megan Harris, and today I'm joined by Nick Kenner of Just Salad. Hey Nick, how's it going?
I'm doing great, thank you for having me.
We're so excited to have you here. So what are you gonna be making for us today?
So we're gonna be making some avocado toast. I'm very proud of this avocado toast. It starts with the bread, which it's gotta be crispy and not too carby, so we make it kind of thin. And so it starts with the avo mash.
Okay, so that's pre-mashed avocado that you've already put together.
Yeah, but in the store, it's actually made fresh every single day.
Nice.
And it starts obviously with the avocados, but we add a hint of lemon to it, and actually some fresh jalapeno as well, and a pinch of salt.
I like that flavor combination.
And then, so it packs a little heat, but not too much. And then we put some feta on it because feta goes great with
everything?
Yeah,
who doesn't love cheese?
Exactly. And then to give it some extra crunch, we have our crunchy onions, which
that looks good.
Yeah, it packs a real flavor on it. And then we have the pumpkin seeds, which anytime you can put seeds on anything, it adds crunch and it's very healthy. And they're toasted as well for some extra flavor. And there's the famous crunchy avocado toast.
So you've got everything in there. We've got the healthy fats, we've got the crunch, the citrus. So this is something that I think whether you're plant-based or even a carnivore like myself, you would appreciate. So Nick, what are we making next?
All right, well, what we got now is the Autumn Caesar salad.
Oh, I like that, seasonal.
Yep, we do 4 salads every season. And this is one of the more popular seasonal. It's a take on the traditional Caesar, which starts with pre-cut romaine, which we cut fresh every morning. And we partner with a bunch of local farms in every region. So in the case of Florida, so that's where we are right now, we partner with J&J Family Farms and Harvest Sensation. And then obviously we have the grilled chicken. And the grilled chicken is antibiotic-free, hormone-free. And then we have our sliced Parmesan.
Oh, that looks delicious.
Yeah, which is key to a good Caesar salad, exactly. And then of course the croutons for the crunch. And then this is what makes it a seasonal salad, is we have the dried cranberries, which are awesome and sweet, and fresh cut pear, which we do every morning, Now this is a critical question. Would you like light, medium, or heavy dressing?
Let's go with medium.
Okay, medium.
I've heard great things about your dressing, because everything is made in-house, right?
Yeah, so it's all our dressings are made in-house daily, from scratch, and you know, the dressing is the critical part of the salad. And yeah, we're really proud. They're all our proprietary recipes as well.
So why is it important then to work with local food suppliers to make all of your products in-house? Why is that important to you with Just Salad?
So there's 2 big reasons. One is local supports the community that we are doing business in. And it's also about freshness and sustainability. The less that food has to travel. That's the less gas and resources that go into it. And honestly, a lot of the time it just tastes better.
So of course, I love all the different options that you have, but I'm really interested in this bowl program. Can you explain to me a bit about the packaging?
Yeah, so this is actually the largest restaurant reusable program in the United States.
Wow.
Yeah, and the EPA recognized us for our efforts in that. We save about a high rise of plastic per year because our customers bring this back, and they bring it back for two main reasons. One is they want to save plastic, and two is they get one free item every time, like free avocado or free cheese.
That would be me.
Yeah, it's been a highly successful program that I obviously care deeply about.
Can you tell me a bit about some of these different menu items here?
Yeah, absolutely. So these are some of my favorite, obviously.
Oh, yeah?
So we have the buffalo chicken salad.
I like the tortilla chip option.
Yeah,
little crunch there.
That's a flavor bomb. And then we have a chicken shawarma with some other traditional salad items like broccoli, cucumbers, cabbage. Yeah, it's great. And then the Tokyo Super Greens with our tofu, which is marinated overnight. And that's our chicken barbacoa bowl, which, if it's a rainy day or a little colder.
Comfort food.
Exactly. And then that's our forager bowl, which is vegetarian, and that's a kale pesto vinaigrette that's spread over that. And then we have the buffalo chicken wrap, which tastes great.
Okay, well, enough talking about the food.
Yeah.
I want to try it.
Okay, great.
Nick, the moment I've been waiting for, it's time to taste test. I'm going with the crunchy avocado toast.
Awesome, let's do it.
All right, have a piece with me.
Sure.
Here we go. We'll do a little cheers.
Okay.
Thank you so much for being here today.
Yeah, thank you for having me.
And thank you for watching another episode of Smart Kitchen. I'm Megan Harris, and I'll see you next time.